In New York State, it is outrageous but true that all you have to purchase in liability insurance to put a car on the road is a policy that provides just $25,000 for an individual claim and $50,000 for all claims stemming from the same accident. Many drivers in New York purchase more coverage than the minimum required by law. However, most drivers don't have enough liability insurance to remotely come close to providing appropriate compensation for injuries they cause when operating a motor vehicle. Drivers in New York are partially protected against a situation where a negligent driver operates a vehicle without any insurance or insufficient insurance. This is because every auto policy in New York must provide supplemental uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, known as SUM, S-U-M, coverage, in the minimum amount of $25,000 for an individual claim and $50,000 for all claims resulting from one accident. Obviously, some coverage of $25,000 and $50,000 is not nearly enough to adequately compensate for a significant injury such as a traumatic brain injury, a herniated disc, a lost limb, or a fatality. I'm sure you're wondering how the sum coverage actually works. Here's an example. If you're in an accident and the driver who's at fault has a minimum liability insurance policy of $25,000 for an individual claim and $50,000 for all claims from the same accident, and you have sum coverage on your own policy of $250,000 for an individual claim and $500,000 for all claims from the same accident, you could collect $25,000 from the other driver's insurance policy and up to $225,000 from your own insurance company if the damages warrant that kind of payment. Some coverage claims can get tricky because you have to bring two separate claims, one against the other driver's insurance and another claim against your own insurance policy. And before you can settle with the other driver's insurance company, you must first get permission from your own insurance company to settle with the other driver's insurance company. For this and other reasons, it's best that you rely upon an experienced personal injury lawyer to represent you in this type of situation, to make sure you obtain the maximum amount in damages available to you under the law. Fortunately, you can purchase additional sum coverage for just a few $100s per year by calling your insurance agent and obtaining additional coverage. Don't become a victim of a car accident twice. First, when you're injured in a car accident, and second, when the other driver doesn't have enough insurance. Contact your insurance agent today before you're in an accident and purchase additional sum coverage to protect you and your family. To obtain a free consultation with the Maurer Law Firm, call 845-896-5295 or visit our website at maurerlaw.net. At the Maurer Law Firm, we treat your personal injuries and the impact they have on you and your families personally as if our own lives depend on it.